Hey guys, Country Stuff 13 here with the DE Hybrid Spetsnaz AK47. This is just a regular gun. It comes with lower rails or underbarrel rails. It comes, so it's got the adjustable stock, safety features, of course. Has sights right here. It looks kind of stupid. This thing came off, so that's why I have duct tape. If you're wondering there, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, and they are upgraded for this. These items are for this AK47 that I made. Here's a dual magazine, so you click it in, empty, click it in, there you go. We got a flashlight. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see because it's daytime. I don't know if you can really see it. This is also another upgrade that goes on the underbarrel rails. Flashlight. An ACOG scope with a crosshair, literally. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. You got the on and off switch, of course. And here I have the upgraded rail system. They also go like the same piece. This is so I can fit scopes, laser, and whatever else you want. So here we go. So you take this off. This is where the battery goes to cover it up. Oh, and also, this is how you adjust the hop off. Right here, I don't know if you can see it. Like right here. Hop up system. Alright. Now here comes, I'm going to put the upgraded rail on. This does take a little bit, because it's... Alright. Upgraded rails on. Alright. Now I'm going to put the scope back on.
Works on York, but bounced off. York got it to the back to Hammerly. Over now to Green. It's there. Oh, one twist at the glass. Give it away again. Stepping out in front of Coyne and his pass. Handcuffed. Ward and can be brought back ahead by the Rangers. An easy off brings
You have to screw it in place. So that's why it's taking a little bit, because you have to put the whole side on. You screw it in place so it doesn't move when you're firing or aiming or whatever. Now, ACOG scope. Alright, now, underbarrel flashlight rail, or not the flashlight rail, but now, the flashlight and the ACOG. I'm not going to put the mag in because the mags are full and there are BBs in there. I don't know if you can see them. There's white BBs here and then there's black BBs here. Or actually white and then white BBs. So, just as an example, you click it in like this, empty. All I gotta do is flip it over and then click this mag in. Like I said before, the orange tip came off. So, and then it's not a silencer, it just looks cool, like to be a silencer, and it's just there to be like an orange tip, so, yeah. I mean, it muffles the sound a little bit, but. There's my upgraded AK47 Hybrid Spetsnaz by Double Eagle. I'm gonna do a firing test in a little bit, but, yeah, see ya. Hey guys, I'm back. Like I said before, I got the AK47 Hybrid Spetsnaz by Double Eagle, and I'm gonna do a firing test. So yeah. It's my target. Just made it. Alright, so here's good as nothing. 5 feet. Alright, that's 5 feet. That also is a glow target shot, which changes colors when you shoot it. 10 feet. pretty good. That was 10 feet. Yeah. I'm going to do about 20 feet right now, so. That was about 20 feet. Now I'm going to do a full auto test from 5 feet, 10 feet, and 20 feet. So, yeah. First, I'll show you the results from target 1, 2, and 3. Or 5, 10, and 15. So, hang on, let me zoom out right here. Alright, so here we go. From 5 feet, I hit that target. 10 feet, I was shooting over here. And 20 feet, I actually got a bullseye right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So it's a very accurate gun. This was, 20 feet, like I said before. I am using .25 and .2 gram BBs. So now I'm going to do the full auto test from 10 or 5, 10, and 20 feet. So, yeah. Here we go. Again, I'm using my dual mag. Five feet. That was 5 feet. Big collateral damage. Really good. Now I'm going to do full auto. I'm going to aim for the top 3 targets. That I aim for the glow shot multicolor targets. 10 feet. Alright, so that was 10 feet. I aim for the top targets. Now I'm just going to spray everything. From top, bottom, middle, anywhere. Just going to spray it. Yep, here we go. 20 feet. Oh, yeah, so sprayed that really good. Yeah, I'll just show you the dual mag in action. Okay. So pop it out real quick, turn it around, hook the other mag in, boom, right there. Yeah, I'm almost out on my one mag. Each mag, the mag the gun came with holds 400, and the mag I bought holds 600. Same mag, yeah, so there's my test, and show you the results from 5, 10, and 15. So, like I said before, this was automatic and semi-automatic from 5 feet, the glow shot. These are very, very cool. You can buy them from Dick's. Yeah, top is 10 feet. And then the bottom is 20 feet. And then, like I said before, I just sprayed it on full auto for a good amount of time. So, yeah, I don't know if you can see, got a lot of damage on this box. So, AK47, hybrid Spetsnaz, double eagle. This is just a quick thing, just to show you how this is what I would use to record. Samsung tripod, custom made the top. Add a clamp, and just clamp it right on, tighten it up. Perfect. So, tripod, you did it for about $20. It goes from high to low. So yeah.